Alright guys, I got another little quick tip here. So putting these hinges on, basically it's a tip to put the two ones in the middle, however many you want to put, the one in the middle. I want to put 4 hinges. So this one's already set, my left side hinge, my right side hinge. That one, the bed moves freely, but when I try to put my two other hinges on there, you know, they're moving, so they're not right. So what I did is I just clamped some, any kind of steel that you got really will work. I clamped it on the bottom of this one, and then on the bottom of my right and the bottom of my left. So that way the hinges should go nice and straight. And I did put like a little, you want to put a little spacer here. That way, because yeah, you don't want it to be tight. You want to have a little bit of space. However much space you want. For me, that's good. As long as you got a little bit of space there, that should work. That way the hinges should theoretically line up if they're all touching the bar right here. So that's my little quick tip, guys. I'm gonna keep going at this. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys. So I put this bar down here so I can put on my hinges straight. Got them all tacked up, and I don't know if I'll be able to record but I mean, this sucker, and it moves pretty smooth. So one thing you guys don't want to do is, just so you guys know, whenever you guys start welding the hinges, they do get hot. So the female end, which is this end, the female end, when you start welding it, or the male end, it's gonna expand. So when you weld it, it gets hot, it's gonna expand a little bit. So if you weld it, you get it nice and hot, and then you try to move it, it's gonna seem like it's gonna get stuck. But give it some time, let it cool off. And once it cools off, it'll go back to its normal size. And then try it before you start cutting it off. But yeah, guys, so this is so I got 2 decorated hinges on the side, on the left and right, and then I got 2 of your standard heavy duty cold rolled hinges. They're all cold rolled anyway, but I wanted to add just the different styles to the rack. But that's it right there, guys. Make sure it's nice and, you want to see right here. That's it right there.